Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So obviously we are on Disney series Princess number 3, Tangled Rapunzel inspired. So we're just gonna hop right onto this video. We're gonna take the NYX Ultimate Palette and we're gonna go in with these two yellows at the bottom corner, and we're gonna blend this into the transition and a little bit into the crease of the eye. And I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Brush in number 16. So the next color that I'm taking is this like light pinky purple, and it looks pink on camera, but in person it's actually a purple, but it goes on pink on the eye. So this is not the color I was looking for, but I did just kind of use it to see what would happen, and honestly I hated it. Like, I hated it. It was patchy. It did not look good. As you can see, I was getting super frustrated. And honestly, I don't even know why I'm still packing on this color, because it did not work. So y'all know me, and y'all know that I never know where my looks are going. So I have to do one eye off camera. And to kind of fix that purple color, I went in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette and used the pinky purple in that. And it went on flawlessly. So the next color I'm going in with is this dark purple shade, and I'm putting this into the crease, and I'm really packing on this color because, like I do in my other colorful videos, I like to pack on the color and then blend it out because that's where you get the most pigment. And I'm just, well, for the first brush that I use, I went in with just an eyeshadow packer brush, and then I'm going to blend it out. Y'all know I love a good carved lid, so I'm taking some concealer with a concealer brush, and I'm just laying down some concealer and I'm going to look up so I can know where my fold of the crease will be, and so eyeshadow will not transfer into the crease part of the eye, if that makes sense. I'm not sure, but we're gonna move on to blending out the outer part of the eye. I'm taking the Bling Boss palette from the Vogue collection, and I'm just going to smoke out the outer V, and then I'm going to take this into the crease and just smoke it out some more. So now for the lid shade, I'm going in with this lavender shade, and I'm putting this all on the crease with an eyeshadow brush. Honestly, when I think of Rapunzel from Tangled, she had a lot of purples and yellows going on, so that's kind of where my color scheme came from. So now I'm going in with Mystic from the Vogue collection, and I'm just darkening up the outer part of the eye. So now I'm taking Rockstar from the same Bling Boss palette, and I'm just blending these two colors together so it gives a nice gradient between the lavender and the dark purple. Add some pizzazz to the lid. I'm taking Bling Boss, and it's like a pearlescent pink, and I'm just putting this on with my finger just to give like a nice sheen over the lavender shade. So for liner, I'm actually going in with one of the new LA Colors liners that they just came out with. So they came out with 9 different liners: matte, chrome, and holographic. And I'm using the holographic eyeliner in the shade Iridescent Flash. So I just went ahead and did my face off camera because it's my same face routine. So for blush, I'm going in with Rockstar, and I'm just putting on this blush. However, I did put on a little bit too much blush, if I will say so. But I'm going to teach you a way of how to tone down the blush. So I'm just going to take my beauty sponge with some of the leftover foundation from my face, and I'm just going to kind of blend this blush out. So for the lower lash line, I actually went in with a nude eyeliner pencil from Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to smoke it out using those same yellow shades that I used in the transition part of the eye. So for highlighter, I'm going in with the Smolder Cosmetics Loose Glam Dust in Gold Digger. This is more so of like a yellowy gold, which I thought would go perfect with this look since we are going for the purple yellow vibes. And honestly, this color is stunning and it's super, super pigmented. I also want to teach y'all a lesson on how to blend out your highlight so it looks seamless. So just go in with your beauty sponge again and just pat away. So I decided to do my hair off camera. I took my braiding hair that I use in every single braid hair video. I'll leave a link to the Jasmine tutorial that I did previously. And I just braided my hair with this braiding hair. And then I just put in some flowers with it. For lip liner, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Brown Cafe. And then we're going to take the Tarte Lip Stick or Liquid Lipstick in Birthday Suit. So just take your favorite gloss and put that on top, and then the beauty part of this look is complete. So now we are going to move on to the gory part of this look. It's not really gory, but we are going to turn ourselves old. So I'm just taking this reddish brown shade because it's a little bit darker than my skin tone, and I'm just mapping out my wrinkles. I noticed that I really don't have a lot of wrinkles, so I was really squinting my face to get the maximum amount of wrinkles, but eventually I just kind of threw and drew some on wherever I felt necessary. The darker brown shade, I'm just darkening up the lines to give more depth. So y'all can just watch this part. It's really nothing to explain because your lines are already drawn. So now we just need to deepen them up. So now we're just going to add some highlights to make the lines a little bit more deep and so we can look more wrinkly. But I'm going in with this tan shade. Obviously you would need to adjust if you're a darker or lighter skin tone than me, so just adjust accordingly. And then we are going to add some nice little old beauty marks to our face. And this is this has no rhyme or reason to it. Just use your creativity on where you think that the beauty mark should be placed the best. To make ourselves look a little bit more mature, I'm not going to say old because that's rude, I'm going to add some white liner to my eyebrows and the side of my hair that does not have the flowers on it. Alright, so this is it for the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and join the B.O.M Squad. We are the realest squad on the internet. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you can get notified every time I upload. And when you have subscribed and turned your post notifications on, in the comment section, comment done so I can shout you out in my next video. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next Halloween tutorial. Bye guys.